Let's continue Python for AWS data engineering. In this session, let's see PyCharm IDE installation and first Python program using PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE is one of the most popular IDE for Python and Python-based frameworks application development. In this, we are going to see downloading PyCharm IDE, installing PyCharm IDE, then create workspace, then start PyCharm IDE, write a Python program, run Python program using PyCharm IDE. Open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome. Let's search PyCharm IDE, PyCharm download. And you can see JetBrains is a company. It provides PyCharm IDE. Click on first link. PyCharm provides PyCharm provides community version, enterprise version. Community version is completely free. Enterprise version is uh, licensed one thing. You can scroll down. You can see Python IDE. You can click on download. And here you can see PyCharm IDE. Let's click on download. Then it will start downloading. Click on start download. Let's wait a few seconds to complete the download. Download installation is very easy to double click on downloaded file, choose all default options. Yeah, download is completed. Let's go to downloaded location. Double click on this PyCharm IDE. It started installing. It will open a pop-up window. In that, click on Yes button. Yeah. Click on next button. Click on next button. And here only one thing, create a desktop icon. Select this PyCharm and the remaining options are all default. Click on next button. Click on install. Yeah. Installation is successful. Click on finish button. Now you can start PyCharm. Before starting PyCharm, create a workspace too. So we already created a workspace under C drive with a folder called workspace. In this, we created a folder called Python for AWS Data Engineering. Okay, let's open this one. Start PyCharm IDE. Double click on this PyCharm IDE. Then first time you can select I confirm. Then click on continue. Then this is your optional. I'm clicking on don't send. Click on allow. Then skip import. Here you can see project. Close this one. Go to open. Click on open and select your workspace. Under C drive, you have workspace. In this workspace, you have Python for AWS Data Engineering. Select this folder and trust this workspace folder. Click on close. Here you can see plus symbol. Select Welcome, Tanvol. Then I'm writing E equal to 10, B equal to 10, result equal to A plus B. Then I'm writing print A is A value I'm printing. Then similar way I'm printing B value and result. B is I'm printing B value. Then I'm printing sum of A comma B is. Sum of A comma B is I'm printing result. Then once development is completed, right click on this program. You can see run first Python program. Click on this run first Python program. It will generate output in output area. So this is workspace. Here we write Python statements. And once you run this Python program, you can see output here. Okay. Clear writing, how to install PyCharm IDE, how to write first Python program using PyCharm IDE.